So yesterday we discussed what exactly the mitzvah of Peru Urvu is, and we explained it has to be a boy and a girl, and how exactly one fulfills this mitzvah. Now the Gemara discusses what happens if a person had a son and a daughter, but then Bar Minan, they passed away. Has one still fulfilled the mitzvah? The Gemara debates this, and the halacha follows Rabbi Yohanan, who says that you have not fulfilled the mitzvah. According to the two ways we explained the mitzvah yesterday, they both fit in. If the explanation is that the mitzvah is the result of having children, the result is no longer there, and therefore one has to fulfill the mitzvah again. If the understanding is that the mitzvah is to try to have children, once the children are no longer there, then the mitzvah kicks in again. So either way, the mitzvah is that one has a boy and a girl, and that they continue to exist during the lifetime of a person when they are able to have children. Once those children are no longer there, then the mitzvah kicks in again, and one has to fulfill the mitzvah and have a boy and a girl. The Gemara goes on further to say that even if one has a grandson and a granddaughter, but they come from one child, one still has not fulfilled the mitzvah of Perurvu. Because even though one has left both a grandson and a granddaughter coming from one child, nonetheless, the mitzvah is that you yourself have a son and a daughter from oneself. However, the Rambam does say, and this is how the halacha follows, that this is how the Shulchan Aruch is posek, that if a person has a son and a daughter, and the son had a child and the daughter had a child, whether the son had a boy or girl, and whether the daughter had a boy or a girl, even if one's son and daughter pass away, since there remains two grandchildren, and they both come, and both two grandchildren who are both a male and female, and they both come mikowach zacharun keva, they come from a son and a daughter, one has fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu. So to explain, although if one leaves a grandson and a granddaughter, one has not fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu, that's only if it comes from one child. If, however, one had two children, one had a son and a daughter, and the son gave birth to a male or female, and the daughter gave birth to a male or female, even if the son and daughter both pass away, but since there remains two grandchildren, one male and one female, and they are coming from two children of the grandfather, one has fulfilled the mitzvah of Peruru, provided one is male and one is female. If one left two grandsons and two granddaughters, even if they came one grandson from one son and one grandson from another daughter, nonetheless, one has not fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu. So to summarize, the mitzvah of Peru Urvu is a son and a daughter. Even if the son and daughter are no longer there, as long as one has a grandson and a granddaughter who come from two children, one has fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu. If, however, one leaves a grandson and granddaughter from one child, one has not fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu. Tomorrow, Be'ezrat Hashem, will discuss if one fulfills the mitzvah Urvu through modern ways, IVF and so on, whether one has fulfilled the mitzvah of Peru Urvu.